Resist giving advice to your clients. When you look at the definition of boundaries, it defines a lot of things, but one of the things that the boundaries define for me is what I'm willing to do and what I am not willing to do. I am not willing to accept the position of choice for your life only for my own life. However, there are times where I am there as kind of an advisor, as in a technician. Resist giving advice and telling people what you would do. Simply show them their options. But they're going to ask you, well, which one would you take? Always focus on, here are your options. They're all really good options, and here's why you might want to pick one option over the other. So when a customer asks me, well, which one would you take, or which one do I need, I would answer like this. I would say, listen, these are all good options. The bottom option's why I'm here. This is the one that fixes it. This is what you must do if you want it to work. As you go up, you're going to gain more reliability. You're going to gain more efficiency. And if you pick the top option, it's going to be like you don't want anything to break. It's like reliability. We're not going to restore this thing to like new condition as best we can. So really it's up to you. What do you want to do? Show people their options and then let them pick for themselves what's best for them. I see this a lot. A customer will say, well, your technician came out here and told me that I needed a new system, and another company came out here and told me I didn't need a new system, and they fixed it. Well, the truth is, nobody needs a new system. I would never advise put in a new system. I would just say, here are your options. Hey, I can fix this old thing. Do you want me to fix this old thing, or do you want to look at options to replace? What do you want to do? Leave it up to them. It's not your choice. Show them their options and let them decide what's best for them. Thank you very much, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel. Hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.